Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you've got a worn or you've got a broken side broom. Super simple to replace. It's easier if you flip the machine, just like we have it like this on its backside. Take the wing nut and loosen this up. And remove it. Side broom comes off just like that. Putting it back on, get your new one. Line up the 3 notches on the 3 holes of the new side broom. And then replace your wing nut and washer. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.